So now we're gonna head up to the Phantom's Revenge. They kind of got a little holding cue here. Because used to stand up on that ramp. Oh yeah, and you can see this looks like arrow track up to this. I think after the hill it switches. Woo! We made it. It's pretty smooth though.
Alright, right behind us is Phantom's Revenge, which we just got off, as you can probably tell by my hair. Also, it's very humid, so as the day goes on, my hair is just going to be like... Anyway, so this is one of the only 2 steel coasters currently operating in this park.
Yeah.
And it's a lot of fun. I don't think I've ridden it since the 1990s, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I haven't ridden it in a long time.
It's been well over probably 30 years would be my guess. So it used to be that it had inversions. It was just an aero looping coaster, really. And again, just like with the Thunderbolt, they use the terrain. So you're going down into valleys and ravines, and you're coming back up, and it's really cool because it takes advantage of the terrain. They retracked it in 2001, and it's fun now. It's a lot of fun.
Super fun. Really smooth too, I thought.
It's very smooth, and if you sit near the middle or the back, we got a ton of airtime toward the end.
Yeah.
It's just a nice, good, smooth steel coaster.
Yeah.
The wait time said 10 minutes. I'm guessing we probably waited 10-15 minutes for it. It's slow today, so they're only running 1 car, so that probably contributed to it. But still, totally worth it. And if you come here, it is worth the ride.